Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making garlic cabbage steaks. Okay guys, I'm starting out here on a large cookie sheet and I have a nice sized head of cabbage. If you guys were worried about Dexter the other day, he's wide awake and ready to roll. I'm going to start by slicing off the stem at the base of the cabbage. Now I've seen these on the internet guys and they look tasty. I love cabbage. I thought I'd give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and cut my cabbage into pieces. You just want to slice right down through. Dexter! Dexter! I'm in here making a video. Be quiet. Okay. Now I'm going to make these roughly like 1-inch pieces. And you have to be careful because your cabbage is slippery and you don't want to cut through your hand. I'm just going to cut this cabbage into 4s, guys, because there's only going to be 4 of us eating and it's being a little slippery, and I'm just going to take these loose pieces off of there. And this stem here, that will soften up as it cooks, so that's no worries about leaving that in there. Okay guys, now I have my cabbage all sliced up. I got 5 pieces. I moved it over here to a paper plate for a minute. I'm going to spray my cookie sheet down with some cooking spray. Just want to put a generous coating on. Dexter! Knock off the noise. I'm cooking out here. I'm doing a video. Okay, now I'm going to lay my cabbage back on the cookie sheet. And you just want to arrange it out here. And like I said, guys, I never had these before, but I do love cooked cabbage, so I know it's got to be good. So I figured I'd give them a try. And there with my olive oil. Don't do that, guys. Alright, now I'm going to hit these with some of that olive oil that I didn't spill. And I'm going to keep my seasoning simple. You can put fresh garlic on this if you like. I'm just going to use some garlic salt. And I'm just going to lightly hit each one. And I'm going to put some black pepper on. We're keeping our seasoning simple. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for an hour. After a half hour, I'll pull them out, turn them over, and season the other side. Alright guys, my hour's up, and like I said, halfway through after a half hour, I turn these over, hit them with more olive oil and some more garlic, salt, and pepper. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some flavored hamburgers with onion gravy to go with this. And these cabbage sticks are that big, I decided to use a half of one for a serving. Let me get in here and give this a try. Cabbage is nice and tender. You hear Dexter yelling for my wife, Holly. She's going to be home from work soon. They're well seasoned. They're really good, guys. This is the first time I've ever had them. And I would eat them again. They're not hard to make. Give one more try here. Alright, there you have it. Garlic cabbage steaks. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.